Alright, so I've drilled the holes, and let's show you kind of quickly what I did to make that work. For me, it wasn't that hard, because I do happen to have a drill with like a laser alignment system. I'm sure you can't see it in the bright sunlight, but all I did is just line it up securely by holding it between these other two and just going straight through the best I could. I haven't determined just how critical it is. I know it's very important to get them to line up straight through. If it's a little bit off, we'll see what happens. So let's show you how this doohickey goes together while I attempt to figure it out myself. We got a large bolt with a washer. This is one of the larger ones. This screw, other side of that, the large one. This one you can do different ways. That's an interesting thing. So it doesn't matter about getting it upside down because you're just going to flip them around anyway. And then from the other side, we have discovered that my bolt is not long enough. Motherfucker.